What is Justicia carnea? Justicia carnea, commonly known as the Brazilian plume flower or pink justicia, is a vibrant tropical plant native to South America. It is cherished for its striking, plume-like pink flowers and lush green foliage. With its ability to bring a splash of color to any garden or indoor space, it's no wonder this plant has gained popularity among gardeners and plant enthusiasts alike. How to care for Justicia carnea? Caring for Justicia carnea is relatively straightforward, but there are a few key things to keep in mind to ensure it thrives. Light. Justicia carnea prefers bright, indirect sunlight. While it can tolerate some direct sunlight, too much can scorch its leaves. If you're growing it indoors, place it near a window with filtered light. Water. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so ensure good drainage. Temperature. This plant thrives in warm temperatures, ideally between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. It's not frost-tolerant, so keep it indoors during colder months if you live in a cooler climate. Humidity. Justicia carnea enjoys higher humidity levels. If you're growing it indoors, consider using a humidity tray or a room humidifier to keep the air moist. Fertilizer. Feed the plant with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce feeding in the fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. How to propagate Justicia carnea? Propagating Justicia carnea can be a rewarding process, and there are a couple of methods you can use. Cuttings. The most common method is to propagate via stem cuttings. Take a cutting from a healthy, mature plant, ideally with a few leaves and a node. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a pot filled with well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist and place the pot in a warm, bright location. Roots should develop in a few weeks. Seeds. Although less common, you can also grow Justicia carnea from seeds. Start seeds in a seed-starting mix, lightly covering them with soil. Keep the soil consistently moist and warm. Germination can take several weeks. Can you grow Justicia carnea indoors? Yes, you can successfully grow Justicia carnea indoors. In fact, it makes an excellent houseplant due to its attractive foliage and flowers. Just ensure it receives adequate light and humidity. If you notice it getting leggy or not flowering as expected, it might need a bit more light or humidity. Is Justicia carnea toxic? Fortunately, Justicia carnea is not considered toxic to pets or humans. This makes it a great choice for households with children or animals. However, as with any plant, it's a good idea to discourage nibbling, as large quantities of any plant material might cause some digestive discomfort. What to plant with Justicia carnea? Justicia carnea pairs well with a variety of companion plants. In garden settings, it complements other tropical plants like bromeliads, orchids, or ferns. For indoor settings, you might combine it with other houseplants that thrive in similar conditions, such as peace lilies or spider plants. Common problems with Justicia carnea. Despite its hardy nature, Justicia carnea can face a few issues. Pests. Watch out for common pests like aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs. Regularly inspect the plant and treat any infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Disease. Overwatering can lead to fungal diseases like root rot. Ensure proper drainage and avoid letting the plant sit in water. Yellowing leaves. This can be a sign of either overwatering or underwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine accordingly. Compare with other similar plants. When comparing Justicia carnea to other tropical plants like the hibiscus or the bougainvillea, a few differences stand out. Unlike hibiscus, which often requires more sunlight and can be a bit more demanding in terms of care, Justicia carnea is relatively low maintenance and adapts well to indoor conditions. Bougainvilleas, on the other hand, are known for their vibrant bracts rather than true flowers, making them visually different from the plume-like blooms of Justicia carnea. Benefits of growing Justicia carnea. Growing Justicia carnea offers several benefits. It adds a burst of color to your space with its striking pink flowers. Additionally, it's a relatively low-maintenance plant that can thrive indoors, making it ideal for those who want to enjoy tropical beauty without a lot of fuss. Its ability to adapt to different lighting conditions also makes it versatile for various indoor settings. In summary, Justicia carnea is a delightful plant that brings vibrant color and tropical flair to any environment. With the right care, It can thrive both indoors and outdoors, offering a beautiful addition to your plant collection. Whether you're propagating it or simply enjoying its blooms, this plant is sure to brighten up your space.